Google Cloud BigQuery Online Training. Introduction to Google Cloud BigQuery. Google Cloud BigQuery is a fully managed, serverless, and highly scalable data warehouse offered by Google Cloud Platform, GCP. It is designed to handle large-scale data analytics and processing, allowing users to analyze massive datasets quickly and efficiently. Benefits of using BigQuery. BigQuery, Google Cloud's fully managed, serverless data warehouse, offers several significant benefits, especially for organizations dealing with large datasets and requiring advanced analytics. Here are some key advantages. 1. Scalability. Massive data handling. BigQuery can handle petabytes of data seamlessly, allowing organizations to scale their data storage and processing capabilities without worrying about infrastructure limitations. On-demand pricing. Users only pay for the storage and compute resources they use, making it cost-effective for varying workloads. 2. Performance. High-speed query execution. BigQuery uses Google's infrastructure to execute queries quickly, even over large datasets, thanks to its columnar storage format and tree architecture for distributing and parallelizing queries. Automatic optimization. The service automatically optimizes query performance and manages resources behind the scenes. 3. Serverless architecture. No infrastructure management. As a fully managed service, BigQuery eliminates the need for managing servers, clusters, or storage, allowing teams to focus on data analysis rather than infrastructure maintenance. Automatic scaling. The service automatically scales up or down based on query demand, ensuring optimal performance without manual intervention. 4. Real-time data processing. Streaming inserts. BigQuery supports real-time data ingestion, making it possible to analyze data as it arrives. This is particularly useful for time-sensitive analytics and monitoring. Data freshness. Users can run queries on fresh data without needing batch processing, enabling real-time insights. 5. Integration and ecosystem. Google Cloud integration. BigQuery integrates seamlessly with other Google Cloud services like Google Data Studio, Google Sheets, and Google Analytics, providing a cohesive ecosystem for data management and analysis. Third-party tools. It also supports integration with various third-party tools and platforms for ETL, BI, and data visualization such as Tableau, Looker, and Apache Beam. Understanding big data with BigQuery. BigQuery is a fully managed, serverless data warehouse developed by Google that enables superfast SQL queries using the processing power of Google's infrastructure. It's designed to handle big data and allows users to analyze massive datasets efficiently. Here's an overview of how BigQuery can help you understand and work with big data. Key features of BigQuery. Serverless architecture. No infrastructure management. BigQuery handles all resource provisioning. Automatically scales to handle any size of workload. Fast query performance. Uses columnar storage and a massively parallel processing (MPP) engine to speed up queries. Optimized for read performance, making it suitable for analytical workloads. Standard SQL support. Supports ANSI SQL, making it accessible to users familiar with standard SQL. Provides advanced SQL features for complex querying. Integration with other tools. Seamlessly integrates with Google Cloud services like Google Cloud Storage, Dataproc, Dataflow, and more. Connects with popular buy tools like Looker, Tableau, and Data Studio. Data security and compliance. Built-in security features, including data encryption at rest and in transit. Compliance with industry standards and regulations, example GDPR, HIPAA. Cost-effective. Pay-as-you-go pricing model based on the amount of data processed. Ability to control costs through budget alerts and cost controls. Working with BigQuery. Loading data. Data can be loaded into BigQuery from various sources such as Google Cloud Storage, local files, or other databases. Supports batch loading and streaming inserts for real-time data ingestion. Querying data. Use SQL to query datasets directly in the BigQuery console, via the BigQuery API, or using client libraries. Supports complex queries, joins, aggregations, and window functions. Managing datasets. Organize data into datasets and tables. Use partitions and clustering to optimize query performance and cost. Exporting data. Export query results or entire tables to Google Cloud Storage or other destinations. Supports multiple formats, including CSV, JSON, Avro, and Parquet. Use cases for BigQuery. Real-time analytics. Analyze streaming data in real time using BigQuery's integration with Dataflow and PubSub. Business intelligence. Connect BigQuery to buy tools for creating interactive dashboards and reports. Machine learning. Utilize BigQuery ML to build and deploy machine learning models directly within BigQuery using SQL syntax. Data warehousing. Consolidate data from various sources into a centralized data warehouse for unified analytics. Getting started with BigQuery. 1. Set up your Google Cloud Platform (GCP) account. Sign up for Google Cloud Platform. If you don't already have a GCP account, go to the Google Cloud Console and sign up. Google offers a free tier with some credits to get you started. Create a project. In the GCP console, create a new project or select an existing one. Projects are the basis for enabling BigQuery and other GCP services. 2. Enable the BigQuery API. Navigate to the API library. In the GCP console, go to the APIs and Services library. Enable the BigQuery API. Search for BigQuery API and click on it. Click the Enable button. 3. Set up authentication. Service account. Go to the IAM and Admin Service Accounts page in the GCP console. Create a new service account. Grant it the BigQuery user role. Create a key for the service account and download the JSON file. This key file will be used to authenticate your BigQuery client. 4. Access BigQuery. BigQuery can be accessed in multiple ways. GCP console. Navigate to BigQuery from the main menu. Use the BigQuery web UI for running queries, managing datasets, and more. Command line. Install the gcloud command line tool if you haven't already. Use BigQ commands to interact with BigQuery. Client libraries. Use client libraries to access BigQuery from your preferred programming language, example Python, Java, Node.js. 5. Loading data into BigQuery. Create a dataset. In the BigQuery web UI, click on your project name and then Create Dataset. Create a table. Within the dataset, create a new table. You can load data from various sources, Google Cloud Storage, local files, other GCP services. 6. Running queries. Use SQL. BigQuery uses standard SQL syntax. Write and run SQL queries in the BigQuery web UI or using the BigQ command line tool. Optimizing BigQuery performance. Optimizing BigQuery performance involves a combination of best practices related to query design, table management, and resource allocation. Here are some key strategies to enhance BigQuery performance. Query optimization. Use appropriate data types. Ensure that you are using the correct data types for your columns. Avoid using string when integer, float, date, or other specific types would be more efficient. Avoid select ****. Specify only the columns you need. Using select * can lead to unnecessary data processing and increased costs. Use where clauses to filter data early. Apply filters as early as possible in your query to reduce the amount of data processed. Leverage with clauses. Common table expressions break down complex queries into smaller, more manageable parts using with clauses. This can make your queries more readable and potentially more efficient. Use approximate functions. For large datasets, use approximate functions like approx_count_distinct instead of count, distinct. These are faster and consume fewer resources. Avoid cross-joins. Cross-joins can generate huge amounts of data. Always use appropriate join conditions to avoid unintentional cross-joins. Partition tables. Use partition tables to improve query performance by scanning only the relevant partitions rather than the entire table. For example, partition tables by date to query only specific date ranges. Clustered tables. Use clustered tables to organize data based on one or more columns. This can reduce the amount of data scanned and improve performance for queries that filter or aggregate by the clustered columns. Materialized views. Create materialized views for frequently accessed and computationally expensive queries. Materialized views are pre-computed and stored, providing faster query results. Best practices for BigQuery users. BigQuery is a powerful and flexible data warehouse solution provided by Google Cloud. Here are some best practices for using BigQuery effectively. Data organization. Design schema for read optimization. Use nested and repeated fields to represent hierarchical data structures, reducing the need for complex joins. Prefer using native data types to optimize storage and query performance. Partitioning and clustering. Use partition tables to divide data into segments, improving query performance and cost efficiency. Cluster tables within partitions based on frequently filtered columns to speed up query execution. Query optimization. Avoid select asterisk statements. Specify only the necessary columns in your queries to reduce the amount of data processed and improve performance. Use where clauses. Filter data as early as possible in your queries to minimize the amount of data scanned and processed. Query execution plan. Use Explain to review and understand query execution plans, helping identify bottlenecks and optimize performance. Query cache. Leverage query caching by repeating queries to save costs. BigQuery caches query results for 24 hours. Cost management. Monitor and control costs. Set budget alerts to track and manage your BigQuery costs. Use cost controls such as setting query limits and using reservations for predictable workloads. Optimize data storage. Use appropriate storage classes, example standard, long-term, based on your data access patterns. Regularly clean up unused tables and datasets. What is Google Cloud BigQuery? Google Cloud BigQuery is a fully managed, serverless data warehouse offered by Google Cloud Platform. It allows users to run superfast SQL queries using the processing power of Google's infrastructure. Here are some key features and aspects of BigQuery. Scalability. BigQuery can handle large datasets, scaling up to petabytes of data. This makes it suitable for big data analytics and complex queries. Speed. BigQuery is optimized for fast query performance. It uses a distributed architecture and can process data quickly by leveraging Google's massive computational power. Serverless. As a serverless data warehouse, BigQuery abstracts the underlying infrastructure. Users do not need to manage servers, configure clusters, or worry about maintenance. SQL support. BigQuery uses a SQL dialect, making it accessible to users familiar with SQL. This allows for straightforward querying of data without needing to learn new languages or paradigms. Cost efficiency. BigQuery employs a pay-as-you-go pricing model. Users are billed based on the amount of data processed by their queries, allowing for cost-efficient data analysis. Real-time analytics. BigQuery supports real-time data insertion and querying, enabling users to perform up-to-date data analysis. Integration with other tools. BigQuery integrates seamlessly with other Google Cloud services, such as Google Cloud Storage, Google Analytics, and Google Data Studio. It also supports integration with third-party tools and services. How does BigQuery handle big data? 1. Scalability and performance. Elastic scaling. BigQuery automatically scales its compute and storage resources based on the workload. This means it can handle very large datasets and high query volumes without requiring manual intervention. Distributed computing. BigQuery uses a distributed architecture where data is divided into smaller chunks and processed across many nodes in parallel. This massively parallel processing, MPP, ensures high performance and quick query execution. 2. Columnar storage. BigQuery stores data in a columnar format, which is optimized for read-heavy operations like analytics. This allows for faster data retrieval and more efficient storage. 3. Query optimization. Dremel technology. BigQuery uses the Dremel query engine, which is designed for ad hoc queries on large datasets. Dremel can execute SQL queries on read-only data by scanning the data and returning results quickly. Query execution plans. BigQuery automatically optimizes query execution plans based on the structure and distribution of the data. This includes selecting the most efficient way to access and join tables. 4. Serverless architecture. BigQuery is a serverless platform, meaning users don't need to manage any underlying infrastructure. This allows for seamless scaling and eliminates the need for capacity planning or server management. 5. Data partitioning and clustering. Partitioning. BigQuery supports data partitioning by date or integer range, which helps in managing and querying large datasets by breaking them into smaller, manageable segments. Clustering. Clustering organizes the data based on the values of one or more columns. This can significantly reduce the amount of data scanned during queries, thereby improving performance. 6. Storage and compute separation. BigQuery separates storage and compute, which allows users to scale them independently. This separation also means users can store vast amounts of data cheaply and only pay for the compute resources when they run queries. 7. Integration with other tools. BigQuery integrates seamlessly with various data processing and visualization tools such as Google Data Studio, Looker, and third-party BI tools. This makes it easier to analyze and visualize large datasets. How do you use BigQuery for data analysis? Set up your Google Cloud project. First, you need to have a Google Cloud account and create a project if you haven't already done so. Enable the BigQuery API within your Google Cloud project. Enable the BigQuery API. This allows you to interact with BigQuery. Accessing BigQuery Console. You can access BigQuery through the Google Cloud Console. Once there, navigate to the BigQuery section. Create or import a dataset. You can create a new dataset or import an existing one. Datasets are containers for tables and views. You can import data from various sources such as Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, or even from your local machine. Write SQL queries. BigQuery uses SQL for querying data. You can write SQL queries directly in the BigQuery web UI or use the client libraries available in different programming languages like Python, Java, etc. to execute queries programmatically. Execute queries. Once you have your dataset set up and your SQL queries written, you can execute them. BigQuery is designed to handle large datasets, so even complex queries should execute relatively quickly. Analyze results. Once the query is executed, you can analyze the results. BigQuery provides various tools for visualizing and exploring the data, including integration with Google Data Studio. Optimize performance. BigQuery is optimized for large-scale data analysis, but there are still ways to optimize your queries for better performance. This includes partitioning tables, using clustering, and optimizing your SQL queries. Manage permissions. BigQuery allows you to manage permissions at the dataset and project level. Make sure to set appropriate permissions to control who can access and modify the data. Monitor and troubleshoot. Keep an eye on query performance and resource usage. BigQuery provides monitoring tools to help you identify and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. How does BigQuery integrate with other Google Cloud services? BigQuery, Google's fully managed, serverless data warehouse, integrates seamlessly with various other Google Cloud services, enhancing its capabilities and providing a comprehensive ecosystem for data analytics and processing. Here are some key integration points. Google Cloud Storage, GCS. BigQuery integrates tightly with GCS, allowing you to import-export data between the two services. You can load data from GCS into BigQuery tables, or export BigQuery query results to GCS for further processing or archiving. Google Cloud Dataproc. Dataproc, Google's managed Apache Spark and Hadoop service, can directly read from and write to BigQuery tables. This integration enables you to perform complex data processing tasks using Spark or Hadoop on data stored in BigQuery. Google Cloud Dataflow. Dataflow, a fully managed stream and batch data processing service, integrates with BigQuery for real-time analytics. You can use Dataflow to ingest streaming data from various sources and write the results directly into BigQuery tables for analysis. Google Cloud Composer. Composer, a managed workflow orchestration service built on Apache Airflow, can orchestrate data pipelines that involve BigQuery. You can use Composer to schedule and monitor data processing workflows that include BigQuery queries and data transfers. Google Cloud PubSub. PubSub, Google's scalable event streaming service, integrates with BigQuery for real-time analytics. You can ingest streaming data into PubSub topics and use Dataflow to process and stream it into BigQuery for analysis. Google Cloud AI Platform. AI Platform integrates with BigQuery to perform machine learning tasks on your data stored in BigQuery tables. You can train machine learning models using data from BigQuery and deploy these models for inference, prediction, or classification tasks. Google Data Studio. Data Studio, Google's business intelligence and visualization tool, can directly connect to BigQuery as a data source. You can create interactive dashboards and reports using Data Studio to visualize and explore your data stored in BigQuery. How do you secure your data in BigQuery? Securing data in BigQuery involves implementing a combination of access controls, encryption, and monitoring practices to safeguard sensitive information. Here are some key strategies. Identity and access management. IAM utilize IAM roles and permissions to control who has access to BigQuery resources and what actions they can perform. Assign roles such as project owner, editor, or viewer based on the principle of least privilege. Column-level security. Implement column-level security by using views or authorized views. Views allow you to control which columns users can query, restricting access to sensitive data. Data encryption. BigQuery encrypts data both in transit and at rest by default. Additionally, you can use customer-managed encryption keys, CMEK, to further enhance security by managing your encryption keys. Audit logs. Enable BigQuery audit logs to monitor access to datasets and analyze any suspicious activity. These logs provide valuable insights into who accessed what data and when. Data masking. For certain sensitive data, consider using data masking techniques to obfuscate or anonymize personally identifiable information (PII) before storing it in BigQuery. Network controls use Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) service controls to define security perimeters around BigQuery resources, restricting access based on IP address ranges and enforcing communication through approved networks. Data exfiltration prevention implement measures to prevent unauthorized data exports from BigQuery, such as using data loss prevention (DLP) policies to scan and redact sensitive information from query results. Regular security audits conduct regular security audits to identify any vulnerabilities or misconfigurations in your BigQuery setup. This includes reviewing access controls, encryption settings, and audit logs. Advantages of Google Cloud BigQuery online training. Accessibility. Online training allows participants to access courses from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility is especially beneficial for individuals with busy schedules or those located in remote areas. Self-paced learning. Many online BigQuery courses offer self-paced learning options, allowing participants to learn at their own speed. Learners can pause, rewind, and rewatch lectures as needed, ensuring they grasp concepts thoroughly. Cost-effectiveness. Online training can be more cost-effective than traditional classroom training. There are often no travel expenses or accommodation costs associated with attending in-person sessions. Updated content. Google Cloud BigQuery online courses are frequently updated to reflect the latest features and best practices. This ensures that participants are learning the most relevant information. Interactive learning. Many online BigQuery courses include interactive elements such as quizzes, exercises, and hands-on labs. These activities help reinforce learning and provide practical experience working with BigQuery. Expert instruction. Online courses are often led by experienced instructors who are experts in Google Cloud technologies. Participants can benefit from their knowledge and expertise through lectures, demonstrations, and Q&A sessions. Community support. Online training platforms often include forums or discussion boards where participants can interact with instructors and peers. This community support can be invaluable for asking questions, sharing insights, and networking with other professionals. Certification preparation. Many online BigQuery courses are designed to help participants prepare for Google Cloud certification exams. These courses cover exam topics in detail and may include practice tests to assess readiness. Career opportunities in Google Cloud BigQuery. Google Cloud BigQuery offers a range of career opportunities for individuals with various skill sets and levels of experience. Here are some potential career paths and roles within the realm of Google Cloud BigQuery. Data engineer. Data engineers design, build, and maintain the infrastructure necessary for data generation, storage, and analysis. In the context of BigQuery, they would be responsible for architecting data pipelines, integrating data from various sources, optimizing query performance, and ensuring data quality and reliability. Data analyst. Data analysts use BigQuery to analyze large data sets to uncover insights and make data-driven decisions. They create and execute queries, build dashboards and visualizations, and communicate findings to stakeholders. Data scientist. Data scientists utilize BigQuery to perform advanced analytics, machine learning, and predictive modeling on large datasets. They develop algorithms, build and train machine learning models, and extract valuable insights from data. Cloud Solutions Architect. Cloud Solutions Architects design and implement scalable, secure, and cost-effective solutions using Google Cloud Platform services, including BigQuery. They work closely with clients to understand their requirements and recommend appropriate architectures and technologies to meet their needs. Big Data Consultant. Big data consultants provide expertise and guidance to organizations on how to leverage BigQuery and other big data technologies effectively. They assess business needs, design data solutions, and help implement and optimize BigQuery deployments. Technical Trainer. Technical trainers deliver training programs and workshops on BigQuery to help individuals and organizations develop their skills and expertise in using the platform. They create training materials, conduct hands-on exercises, and provide guidance and support to learners. Product Manager. Product managers are responsible for defining the vision, strategy, and roadmap for BigQuery and related products. They gather market insights, prioritize features, and collaborate with engineering teams to deliver innovative solutions that meet customer needs. Developer Advocate. Developer advocates promote awareness and adoption of BigQuery among developers and the broader tech community. They create educational content, participate in developer forums and events, and advocate for developers' needs within the organization. Why choose ProExcellency for Google Cloud BigQuery online training? ProExcellency might be an excellent choice for Google Cloud BigQuery online training for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency likely has a team of experienced trainers who are well-versed in Google Cloud technologies, including BigQuery. Their expertise can ensure high-quality training sessions, covering all aspects of BigQuery effectively. Comprehensive curriculum. They probably offer a comprehensive curriculum that covers both basic and advanced topics related to Google Cloud BigQuery. This ensures that learners receive a well-rounded understanding of the platform and its capabilities. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency might provide hands-on experience through practical exercises, case studies, and real-world projects. This interactive approach can enhance learning and retention, allowing participants to apply their knowledge effectively. Flexible learning options. Online training offers flexibility in terms of timing and accessibility. ProExcellency's online platform likely allows participants to learn at their own pace from anywhere in the world, making it convenient for working professionals and students alike. Certification preparation. If certification is a goal, ProExcellency may offer training programs specifically designed to prepare participants for Google Cloud BigQuery certification exams. This can be a valuable asset for individuals seeking to validate their skills in the job market. Positive reviews and reputation. Researching reviews and testimonials from past participants can provide insights into the quality of ProExcellency's training programs. A positive reputation and satisfied alumni can indicate a reliable and effective training provider. Continuous support. ProExcellency likely offers ongoing support to participants even after the completion of the training program. This support can include access to resources, forums, and assistance with any queries or challenges encountered during the learning process. Thank you.